Dear student, from today you have to write your classwork in your copy, fair copy. And today we are going to start our first chapter from geography. And first chapter is resources. For write to these exercises, you have to make a interleaf copy for geography. Okay, and you have to write like this. First of all, chapter 1, resources. Okay, and question number A, if you have book, then you can see, then you can match the multiple choice question. Our first question is, which of the following is not a natural resources? And there is a 4 option. And what is option? Air, minerals, polyester and petroleum. And what is your answer is polyester. Okay. And your second question is, which of the following is an abiotic resources? And your option is vegetation, man, animal, land. And your answer is land. And third question is, which of the following is an non-renewable resources? And what is your option? Sunlight, water, wind, minerals. And answer will be minerals. Okay. And the fourth question is, which of the following is not a flow resources? You have already learned the what is flow resources. Okay, and here is option air, sunlight, wind and iron ore. And your answer is iron ore. Okay, and now fifth question is your parks, ponds and playgrounds are example of which types of resources? Okay, and here is your option personal resources, community resources, national resources and potential resources. And answer is community resources. Take. And your sixth question is, which of the following is not a product of pastoral resources? And your option is grass, milk, meat and wool. And your answer is grass. Okay, this question number A is completed. Now come to the question number B. And what is B? Match the following. Match the following. Listen carefully. Okay, if you have book, then you mark the and match the following. Your first number is matching is synthetic rubber. And what is matching here? Man-made resources. Synthetic rubber is man-made resources. And your second point is vegetation cover. Vegetation cover means biotic resources. Okay. And third is coal and petroleum. And answer will be coal and petroleum is also called a fossil fuels. Okay. And question number 4. Sum total of resources of all countries. It is also called world resources. And the question number 5, animal products. What is animal products? It is also called pastoral resources. And number 6, stock for future use. Stock for future use. What is the resources? It is called potential resources. All of you listen carefully and write all question number A and B in your copy. Write down carefully. Okay, and what you have to do, question number classification of resources. And this is a flow chart and you have to draw a flow chart in your blank side paper, blank side page. And you are using in geography interleaf copy, so you have to draw the flow chart your left side in blank paper, blank page. Okay, and here is your classification of resources. It is a flow chart of resources, and it is divided into two parts, natural and cultural or man-made resources. Okay, and what is natural resources? It is also divided into two parts. First part is renewable resources and second part is non-renewable resources. Okay, renewable resources is also divided into two parts, biotics and abiotics, and biotics resources is also divided into three parts, natural vegetation, wildlife, human resources. Okay, and the abiotic resources, it is also called a flow resources. Flow resources means example sun, wind and water. Okay, and abiotic resources is divided into also two parts. First part is recyclable and second part is exhaustible, यानी कि fossil fuels. Recycles example is iron, and exhaustible resources is coal and petroleum. And come to here the man-made resources. Man-made resources is also divided into two parts. First part is infrastructure and second part is manufacturers goods. Infrastructure and institution. What is infrastructure? Buildings, roads, bridges. Okay, and you have to draw this flow chart on your geography left side blank page. Okay, thank you. And today is your homework that you have to write all these exercise question number A and B in your fair copy. You have to write in your homework in fair copy. Okay, thank you.